Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Event Viewer, press Win plus X or Run Event for MSC so you launch it fast. Once inside, expand Windows Logs or Applications and Services Logs to locate the exact log you need. Select the log, and if there are too many entries, use Filter Current Log to narrow by level, source, or date. This makes export smaller and relevant. Make sure to leave the view set to the filtered results before exporting. Once done selecting and filtering, right-click the log and choose Save All Events as so you create a proper export file. Choose evtext to preserve full event metadata and hierarchy, pick XML, CSV, or TXT if you need to open in analysis tools like Excel or a SEAM. Name the file clearly, pick a secure folder, and confirm whether you want to include logged metadata. Make sure the destination drive has enough free space before you click Save. To finish, open the saved file in Event Viewer to verify the export contains all expected events. This confirms integrity and readable timestamps. If the save failed, try running Event Viewer as administrator, check folder permissions, and confirm no antivirus blocked write access. For very large logs, export smaller date ranges or use the command line, webtutil log name path / file. evtext, that method.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.